Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified of new uploads. Hello and welcome to Shilpa's cookbook. I am Shilpa and today we are going to make bangan pakoda or eggplant pakoda. These spicy, crispy and tangy pakodas are very tasty and go well with a hot cup of tea. So let's see how to make these pakodas. So now here in a bowl I have taken 1.5 cups of besan or 1.5 cups of besan, to which I am going to add 1/4 cup of rice flour. Next I am adding half a teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of red chili powder, and next I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds or also known as ajwain seeds, and next add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now let us add in salt to taste also. Now mix the dry ingredients well for few seconds so that everything mixes well. Now gradually add water step by step and make a smooth and lump free batter. Batter should not be too thick nor too thin. Now you can see the consistency of the batter. It's a free flowing and dropping consistency. Now cover this and rest for 30 minutes. Now to prepare stuffing, I have a small blender jar with me here. I am going to add half cup of fresh mint leaves into it. Next I am adding half cup of fresh coriander leaves. Next I am adding 5 to 6 green chilies chopped roughly. You can adjust your spice level, little more or little less. Next I am adding 1 inch ginger. I have chopped them roughly. Next I am adding 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. You can increase or decrease. Next adding salt to taste. Now here I have 2 tablespoons of tamarind soaked in 2 tablespoons of water. Add the tamarind along with water and don't add any extra water to the jar. Now blend everything well to a thick chutney consistency of paste. Now our stuffing is ready. You can see the consistency here. It should be this much thick. If it becomes thin, it will be difficult to stuff it into the bangan slices. Next here I have a big bangan or big eggplant with me. You can take any kind of eggplant. It should be little big to slice up. Now remove the stem and slice with a little slit into the middle. Now you can see you have to cut it like this so that we can stuff in the middle. Now take a slice, between the slits stuff the chutney gently and cover it and trim it from the edges. Now make all the slices like this and keep aside. Now our batter has rested for 30 minutes. Next I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of hing, and next I am going to add a big pinch of cooking soda or 1/8 teaspoon of cooking soda. Instead of soda you can also add 1 tablespoon of hot oil. Mix it well. Now if you feel the batter is little thick, you can also add 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra water. I am adding 2 tablespoons of extra water here and mixing it well. Now here I have heated little oil for deep frying. Just add a drop of batter into the hot oil. If it comes up quickly, oil is ready for frying. Now take the stuffed bangan slices and coat it well with the batter. Add gently into the hot oil. Now fry these pakodas in the hot oil until they become crisp and nice golden brown in color. Now pakoras are looking crisp and they have got nice golden brown color. Take them out from the hot oil into a strainer or on a tissue paper. Bangan pakoras are ready to be served. Serve them with a hot cup of tea and enjoy with your family. Please do try the recipe and comment me below how it turns out for you. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to the channel and share and like my videos as much as possible. I will meet you here again with yet another interesting recipe. Until then, take care and happy cooking.